Hey guys, it's me Miles here today, and today I have my trumpet here. You probably know that it already sounds like this, but today I'm going to make it sound like a bass saxophone and a normal saxophone. Here I have a clarinet mouthpiece from a clarinet, and this will make a trigger. See, it sounds like a bass saxophone. Now I'm going to make it sound like a normal saxophone. This is not fake. You can try this with your clarinet mouthpiece. Now here's the saxophone. See, it sounded like a saxophone there. See, this is not this is not fake. This is 100% real. See, you can try it with a clarinet mouthpiece and a trumpet. And what else I want to show you is how to growl with your trumpet or clarinet. So, you play C, and then you hum like So you give it a try. Pause the video and try to give it a try while playing the trumpet. Okay, did you do it yet? Cool. So this is what it might sound like. And if you're a clarinet player, this will be for you. How to growl with your clarinet. So it's the same thing with your trumpet. You can always pause the video. See, you can do it with C too. All right.